Welcome, WPP starts here on the beautiful Algarve, Portugal at Ocean Restaurant. My name is Hans Neuner, I'm the executive chef here. I'm going to show you today a dish from the oysters from Ilha de Minhões. It's a very small island close to the Spanish border where they grow extraordinarily nice oysters. We have here some in, for example, those ones here are around a year. And that's, for example, a 3-year oyster. One year. Alright, so now we're gonna show you the dish. William is in here. So, cheesy, huh? So, very juicy, very fat. So, then later on, yeah, I got them already cut it. Now I'm gonna show you the dish. First we have here some saliconia from the Ilha de Ferrol area. It's also a protected area. All the products come from the same area more or less, no? Besides the caviar. Thomas, comes to your eyes. So let me put little pieces of the oysters. We cut around 5 pieces. Ice, ice, ice! Also voll drauf in die Mitte. Here we got some champagne ice cream. So in that, cover it up with a nice portion. Caviar. Some more rice bowl caviar. So, wollen wir Deckel? Danke. Torchlight. Come on, it's off, yeah? And then we're gonna cover it up. That's how it's gonna go to the guest. We'll have to clean here a little bit. That's not. No, no. Cha cha cha. That's how we serve it, and then we're gonna top it with a hot, really hot oyster champagne sauce. So. Enjoy.